What's going on, guys? Oh my god, I went to Target. Look what I found. The brand new Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 50th anniversary Bigfoot trophy champion. Sorry about that. Boneshaker. There's a nice packaging. Has a little trophy. Here's the back of the ones you can get. It's Bigfoot, Boneshaker, Gangster, 5-Alarm, Mega Rex, and Tiger Shark. Pretty cool, guys. So I'm guessing these are only at Target or Walmart too. I'm not quite sure. I haven't been to a big Walmart in a while, so here it is, guys. I'm going to unbox it for you now. Little trophy, which is cool. So here it is, guys. Boneshaker. Oh, that is nice. Look at this. Look at the gold paint on that. That is nice. Gold rims and B-locks, black tires, the gold skull on top. How was another golden skull and the exhaust on top. Golden roll cage. Black chassis. Just look at the little trophy we got here. So this Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, guys, a little trophy. Little tire at the bottom. Pretty cool. I'm glad they're doing this little new accessory. Guess they go somewhere. They have like pegs at the bottom. It's pretty solid plastic too. So I got one more truck to go, and peace out.